YouTube, what is happening, man? It's the Kid Zed back at it again with another video. So today, we're at the Central Washington State Fair. We came across, what is this, the bug exhibit?
Yep.
The bug exhibit. And we seen some bugs that you could try outside, and we tried the, what are they? Crickets outside. And we came inside and they actually have bugs for sale in here. And Mercedes and her fiance were nice enough, or he was nice enough to buy 3 of the bugs. And he's going to try it with me.
What?
But shout out to him for buying them because I wasn't dropping no 15 bucks here. So this is all going to be one take. That's it. Like, we're not doing no retakes. These are legit bugs.
When are we gonna swap in the brownies? Hey.
Okay.
Okay, which one you want? You pick one.
Oh.
Look,
Yeah,
that one
get
got
rid of the
eggs in
bugs.
it too still.
And here's the bugs. Is it best to eat wings and all, like everything?
Oh wait, hold
We're
on,
gonna
hold
do
on, hold
that.
on.
You eat 2 of them?
Why don't the exhibit guy come and try the third one?
Hey, you want to try one so you can tell people what it's like or what?
Oh, where's the homeboy? Where's the other guy? Should we get the other guy?
Go very
The guy out.
with my supervisor if I was messing around on my shift.
Okay.
Okay, we're going now.
Action.
Wait, you got your water
Go,
ready?
go, go.
Nope.
Fuck it, just do
We're
it.
out of water.
Just fucking do it.
all right, here it is. We're going one
Someone
way.
count down.
1, 2, 3, go. I'm recording.
1, 2,
already.
3, go.
Wait. Now I gotta action, guys. Now I can wait till like 10 seconds. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?
Action.
Are you ready?
Action.
1, 2, cheers. Ready, go.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
They're super dry. They taste like really dry fish. Like somebody put no seasoning on their
Cedric
fish.
went no.
I'm not with it, man.
What kind of fish, though? That's the important thing.
Where's your aqua at, man?
It's so hard to chew.
Is it tasty? Is it like peanut butter? Or?
They're super dry.
Peanut butter.
There's one more, whoever wants to try it. Here you go, it's Manny and the crickets. You'll have the last one.
Oh, fuck.
I thought it for that one again.
Like it? I can't even swallow it, man. I just got wings. Like it's.
So much.
Not bad.
I don't know if I got a juicier one and it hit me as soon as I took the bite.
The juicy one that was dried out.
No, that was.
I mean, at least you started chewing and swallowing good. I'm not gagging.
So that was today's vid. How long is that?
Oh, forgot to press record.
But shout out to Mercedes, her fiance. What's your name?
J-Dub.
J-Dub. For sponsoring this vid, man. I wasn't going to drop no $15 on that, but he did. I was down enough to try it with him. I seen him handing them out. I was like, yeah, it's time to go, guys. But that's today's vid, man. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.